Scatman's World.
Bella raga, ciao a tutti del Comando Reziano, NBA 2K14. Ragazzi, riprendiamo. Allora, dove piacerebbe giocare? Beh, è chiaro che sono tutte le squadre. Io comunque vorrei andare a Los Angeles, dai Clippers, da Griffin, anche se c'è Paul, però potrei imparare veramente tanto, quindi vai di Clippers.
Yeah, that's the one, baby, you know it.
Yeah, man, I figured you might say that, but you know, as your agent, I can't be assuming stuff. This'll help me though when I'm behind the scenes working on stuff. Okay, so
Metti le scarpe sul mio
what is the
divano.
one thing that's most important to you in your NBA career?
Conquistare la Hall of Fame.
Yeah, man, what's up? We done?
Yeah, man, we're done. I lined up a few interviews with some teams that were really showing interest in you, all right? But before they talk to you in person, they want to get a feel of what your personality's like, so that's what that personality test is for. All right, so let's take care of that.
Ma
And
quella
then we can head
PlayStation
out.
1?
Let's do it.
All right.
Pensa che è decisivo della perdita te? Sì. Puoi giocare al tuo livello che compagnia la tua responsabilità? Sì. Quale tra queste è la cosa più importante per te? Punti, difesa. Sicuramente punti. Chi preferisci lasciare la scelta degli schemi? Ai giocatori o all'allenatore? Ai giocatori. Sì. Ok. No, i Milwaukee Bucks no.
Hey, how's it going?
No,
Good
no,
game
Bucks,
tonight.
no,
I'm the
prego.
scouting director for the Bucks. We currently have the 15th pick in the draft and are narrowing down our list of draft targets. If you wouldn't mind, I'd
No,
like to ask you a
Milwaukee,
couple
no, ti
questions. As a younger team, I feel like we have a lot of opportunities for you. I'm here to tell you that you have a chance to be our franchise centerpiece if you put in the work. How many other teams can offer you that? And are you willing to be patient as this team grows?
Milwaukee no, cazzo, sui coglioni. Siamo una squadra giovane e abbiamo molto da offrirti. Se lavori duro potresti diventare il punto focale della squadra. Quanti altri possono offrirti cose del genere? Sei disposto ad essere paziente mentre la squadra cresce? No.
I'll keep this short and
No,
sweet.
io sono una stella.
All I do is
Cazzo
win.
vuoi a me, coglione?
But I don't really see that opportunity right now in Milwaukee. Sorry, I'm just not interested in being on a fringe playoff team right now.
Well, I can see that we're not a match, unfortunately. Good luck to you on draft night.
Philadelphia 76er, bene, un'altra squadra che mi sa sui cazzi.
Well played out there tonight. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm the scouting director for the Philadelphia 76ers. We're looking for someone with the 11th pick who can help our franchise take the next step. I think you might be that guy. I'd just like to ask you a couple questions to make sure. Here we go. It takes a strong will to play here in Philadelphia. If you give your heart and soul to the team, the fans will support you completely with their adoration. On the other hand, if you ever badmouth them or not give 100% out on the court, they will turn on you in a heartbeat and boo you relentlessly. They truly are the best fans in basketball and expect nothing less than your best. Do you think you have the makeup to play in this city?
Cercano di capire, chi vuole grande forza di volontà per giocare? Ci vuole grande forza di volontà per giocare a Philadelphia. Se dai anima e corpo per la squadra, i tifosi ti sosterranno totalmente con la loro passione. Per contro, se dovessi trattarli male, non del 100%, ti fischieranno, sono davvero i migliori. Pensi di avere caratteristiche. Non giocherei bene a Philadelphia. Rischio l'ultima squadra.
Philly really isn't the place for me, man. I don't want to feel like I'm constantly being judged by every on-court and off-court action that I make. I'm a private person, and that life, it's just not for me, man.
Thanks for answering our questions. I don't know that we're a fit for you at this time. We'll need to discuss internally. I'll be in touch.
Dopo l'Inter, solo due squadre, no.
Man, you ready to talk seriously for a few minutes?
Yeah, man, I figured you didn't just come over here to hang out like we used to back in the day.
Yeah, not entirely, man.
C'erano tre l'altra volta,
Hey,
cazzo.
I'll teach you a little lesson in some NBA 2K later. You know, again.
Whatever, young. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to get a game in, but hey, let's get that business out of the way first, all right?
All right, man, look. I know that you've been asked to do a lot to get ready for this
Senti che ho
draft.
fatto cagare, ho detto
Besides the showcase, you got workouts and
veramente
camps
ho
and
fatto
interviews.
due
You
colloqui
handling
di
it all
merda,
like a champ,
vabbè.
man. It's just one last piece we gotta sort out.
What? Ah, come on. What is it, another private workout or something? With the Cavs?
Nah.
Wizards?
We done with workouts, man.
Rockets,
It's
maybe?
nothing like that. Hey, look. We gotta get you a suit.
A suit?
Yeah.
All right, I can live with that, man.
Good, because you know how this draft is, man. I mean, everybody's gonna be watching you, so you gotta make
Che
a splash.
figata sta modalità fatta così.
You seen how
figlio.
players in the past went all out?
Yeah, man. Noah? Yo, Harden?
Oh, yeah.
Yo. Man, no one's forgetting that anytime soon. But hey, I can handle it. You know I look
Che
flying
figata,
whatever I
ragazzi.
wear, baby. Mm-hmm.
That's up for debate. I got 2 words for you. Junior prom.
What? Yo, I was styling back
È
then, dog.
bello fatto così. Se
Styling.
non parlo più voglio
Come
lasciare
on, son.
Oh my
Yo, I feel you though.
l'atmosfera.
So what's up? What we gotta do?
Hey, man, look, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna front you some cash so you can get something that works.
All right.
But if you can, you should consider kicking in a little extra just to make sure you really stand out. But that's on you, though.
All right, I'm gonna think about that. But hey, let's really get down to business.
All right?
NBA 2K,
Oh,
baby.
come on now.
Yeah, I'ma whoop you, son.
Yeah, right. That'll be the first. Don't be cheating either.
Che bello, figlio. Negozio. Ok, che figata. No, ciao. Purtroppo non abbiamo tanti soldini. Però voglio prendere uno figo, ragazzi, cioè. $1.600. Smoking nero, smoking bianco, che spendiamo tanti soldi, cazzo. Vabbè, vai di smoking nero, ma sì, non badiamo a spese. Ok, che bello. Smoking nero. E vediamo un po' da finire, non so, il numero 50 della scelta. Io, sinceramente, Milwaukee e Philadelphia non mi piacciono, cazzo. No, ciao.
You all right, man? Just relax a little bit.
Yo, what if I end up being one of those dudes just sits here forever waiting to get picked, man?
Hey, man, look. I talked to everybody I can. Everybody agrees you're a lock for the first round, all right? It's gonna be one of those moments you remember forever, all
Al
right?
primo
So just
turno
relax,
si
man.
dà.
Enjoy it.
Non so da chi, perché veramente ho fatto a
Yo,
cagare
it's
sia
just that-
Philadelphia che
Talk to
Milwaukee.
me.
It's just, I'm about to find out which team I start my NBA career with, man. I'm about to find out what city I spend the next few years of my life in. It's kind of surreal, you feel me?
Però sta cosa che all'NBA è bellissima, veramente.
Look, man. It's all a part of the ride, all right? Just relax. Hey, here come the commissioner now, getting ready to get things started.
Good evening and welcome to the
si comincia, ragazzi.
2013 NBA Draft. For 60 of the world's most talented and dedicated young players, tonight marks the culmination
Sei un
of
po'
years of
invecchiato
hard
perché
work
la
as
versione
their
2K.
dream of playing in the
Cioè, la
NBA
versione
moves closer
old
to
generation.
reality. To all of the fans watching around the world and to those here with us tonight, thank you for joining
Vediamo un po'
us.
questo draft.
And now to the task at hand. With the first pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Cleveland Cavaliers select
Anthony Bennett from Toronto, Canada, and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas.
Bennett, da cagare. Il primo.
With the second pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Orlando Magic select
Victor Oladipo of Indiana
Oladipo.
University.
With the third pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Washington Wizards select Otto Porter from Georgetown University.
Otto Porter. Ma dai, ma non ha giocato meglio di
With the
me.
fourth pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Charlotte Bobcats select Cody Zeller from Indiana University. With the fifth pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Phoenix Suns select Alex Len from the University of Maryland.
Alex Len.
With the sixth pick in the 2013 NBA Draft,
The New Orleans Pelicans. Yes, the New Orleans Pelicans.
select
Nerlens Noel from the University of Kentucky.
Bene, sono un po' maneggiato su questo, però va bene, sui Pelicans.
With the seventh pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Sacramento Kings select
Ben McLemore from the University of Kansas.
With the eighth pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Detroit Pistons select Kentavious Caldwell Pope from the University of Georgia. With the ninth pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Minnesota Timberwolves select Trey Burke from the University of Michigan.
Trey Burke.
Ah, man, still nothing. I really
Stai
thought they might have
calmo.
gone with me.
Nah, man, they always look like they were going in a different direction, man. Hey, your time's coming, man. Be patient.
With the 10th pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Portland Trailblazers select CJ McCollum from Lehigh University.
Il comandone scalpita.
With the 11th pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select
Michael Carter Williams from Syracuse University.
Ok, ora niente, ora vado a Milwaukee. ed-
With the 12th pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Oklahoma City Thunder select
Stephen Adams from Rotorua, New Zealand, and the University of Pittsburgh.
Ma
With the 13th pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Dallas Mavericks select Jackson Ellis from UCLA.
oh, bene. Maledetto. Veramente adesso sto coglione.
Ah, seriously, man? I can't believe they picked Jackson over me, man.
Hey, man, look, don't you even give it a second thought. All right? He played well in the showcase. You knew he had to go sometime. Hey, but hey, you're going to have the better career when it's all said and done.
Speriamo invece.
Man, I better. Otherwise, that dude's never gonna let me live this down.
Yeah, man. I feel you on that. All right, listen up. I have a feeling we're getting close.
Yeah?
With the 14th pick in the 2013 NBA Draft, the Utah Jazz select the point guard from Italy.
That's what I'm talking about, baby!
What I tell you, dog? Woo!
First round, boy.
Utah.
You got the first round, baby. This is your moment. Hey, go get that lid.
My man!
Non ci
Did it.
credo.
Yeah!
Sì, cazzo, non hanno aiutato i Milwaukee, manco mai. Guardatelo. Guarda, no, è una figata. È una figata. 18 anni comunque, ragazzi, perché mi sono fatto più giovane, chiaramente. Sono uno sbarbatello. Bene. Mi piace, aiuta, mi piace. Sarò il nuovo John Stockton, ragazzi, magari. Mi è sempre piaciuta aiuta, poi c'è, vabbè, Jeff
great to have you here.
Hornacek,
Please, have a seat.
Karl Malone,
Again, let me say
Bustino,
how
grandi
excited
campioni.
we are to have you a part of this organization. We had our eyes on you before the Rookie Showcase, and we were thrilled when you were still available at our pick.
Bene, bene.
Thanks. Glad to be here. Can't wait to get started.
Sì, sì, meno male, guarda.
Well, we'll get to that, but we
andava a
have
Milwaukee,
contract
guarda,
to sign. I
mamma
think we're all
mia.
in agreement.
Sarà dura, fare andare ai playoff, però.
Yeah, good to go.
Well, here's the official paperwork for you to sign, and while you do that, I had the media team prepare a little welcome video for you.
Welcome to the Utah Jazz.
No.
What is the crossroads of the West?
Ma è una figata mondiale.
The Great Salt Lake, the largest saltwater lake in the Western Hemisphere. The Utah Jazz have been one of the most successful
Manca solo la
franchises in the
telecronaca
league, rarely missing the playoffs.
di Flavio Tranquillo e Buffa.
Are the most iconic pick and roll tandem in league history. And now, here are your Jazz teammates. At point, Trey Burke, a natural playmaker who leads his team on both ends of the floor with his quick hands. At the 2, a player who can do all the little things out on the perimeter that help a team win. A true teammate in every sense of the word. At the small forward position, not many players are as solid and dependable as he is. He gives you 100% effort from the start of the game to the final whistle. At power forward, Derek Favors, very strong, very skilled, a terrific post defender who swats shots in bunches.
Ti mette proprio, ti fa affezionare anche del tuo personaggio.
Cioè... go in the paint and do the dirty work. Just the kind of man you want patrolling the paint for your team. We are Utah Jazz.
Bello, bello, bello.
And that's just a small taste of what we have in store for you here.
Yo, I'm ready to get to work. Just point me in a direction. Let's do this thing.
And I know the coaching staff is just as fired up to start training with you. In fact, they're waiting for you in the film room, so you better head over there now.
All right, thanks, man. Looking forward to helping this team get some W's.
Absolutely. And once again, welcome to the team.
Thanks, man.
Bene, bene, bene. Ok. Guarda che figata, fioi. Hanno fatto le cose in grande, stavolta. Diretto al palazzetto. Continua. Spettacolo puro, ragazzi. Spettacolo puro.
And a look out over the luminous expanse of Salt Lake City, Utah, the crossroads of the West. Welcome, everybody, to the day we've all been looking forward to. The start of a new NBA season on 2K Sports. I'm Kevin Harlan, and joining me to provide the analysis for what's sure to be another exciting year, Steve Kerr, the sharpshooter, and Clark Kellogg. What an exciting game
subito, è chiaro che devo fare nel prossimo video.
Let's check out the starting lineups. First for the Thunder, backcourt is Westbrook and Cephalosha, and it's Perkins in at the 5 roaming the paint.
Buono, raga, si parte subito con la prima partita della stagione. Lo devo fare nel prossimo video, chiaramente, che siamo già quasi a 20 minuti. Quindi siamo subito contro i Thunder, sicuramente una partita non facile. Quindi, raga, un saluto dal Comandone veneziano e nel prossimo video si parte la grande con la stagione NBA.
Veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.